So today we are going to learn about our family. My family here, we are going to study about my family. What is a family? A family is a group of people which live together, love each other, care for each other, and help each other in many things. So that is the family. So here in this chapter, we are going to study the chapter for my family. So let's move to the next page here. Let's start the chapter. And this chapter we are going to study about small family. What is a small family? A family where parents and children only live together. And what is a big family? Where parents and more children live together, more than two children live together, where grandparents are also there. And what is a joint family? A family where grandfather, grandmother, parents, uncles, aunt, cousins, they all live together. So here, who are all these people in this photograph, Komal? A girl is asking to the Komal, who are these people in this photograph? So Komal says, this is my family, parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousins. Me and my brother also. My family is a joint family. Komal is saying my family is a joint family. There are brothers, uncles, aunt, grandparents, cousins, and many people. So a group of people related to each other make a family. What is a family? A group of people who relates to each other makes a family. Parents, children live together in a family. We get care and love from our family. There are various types of family. Yes, we get love, care when we fall sick. Our parents and our family take care of us. Our family members love us. They teach us many things. So there are different kinds of families, big family, small family, joint family, and single parent families also. Before that, you need to know a family in which children live together with their parents are called a nuclear family. And a family in which a children live only with their parents, that is known as a nuclear family in which there is no great grandparents, uncles, and aunts. So now let's move further. Here, what is a small family? A family in which parents and children only live. The family that has parents and one or two children is called a small family. In which there are parents or only one or two children, that is known as the small family. Like you can see in this picture, parents, father, mother, and two children. So you need to know in some family, children live with only one parent, either the father or the mother. Yes, in some families, the children only live only with their single parent. Father or a mother is available for them. That is known as such families are called single parent families where only one parent is available for the children. So now let's move further. Here, what is a big family? A big family has parents and more than two children, in which more than two children are available. That family is known as the big family. Like there are so many, five children are here, and a dog also, and mother and father. So this is a big family. Now let's talk about joint family. So, what is a joint family? As I told you, a family in which parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins all live together under one roof. That is known as a joint family. A joint family is a family in which grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and cousins live together. Every member of the family helps each other by sharing household work. They love and take care of each other. Yes, in a joint family, everyone shares household work. They love each other. They take care of each other when they fall sick, or they help each other and they teach many things to them. Grandparents told stories at the bedtime. So this is known as a joint family where grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins, and many people are available under one roof. So now let's move to the next page. Here, let's check your knowledge what you have learned till here. So, first question, what do we call our mother's parents? What do we call them? Does we call them uncle or aunt, grandparents or cousin? What do we call them? Tell me first. Yes, we call them our grandparents. They are known as our grandparents. Our parents are known as our grandparents. Now, next question. Who is your father's brother? He's your uncle, cousin, or nephew. Who is he? Tell me the right answer. Yes, he is your uncle. Your father's brother is your uncle. So that's all. Told you there are so many types of families: nuclear, big, and joint, and single parent family also. So you should love each and every member of your family. You should respect them and you should help them when they need your help. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you have learned about everything about this lesson. See you in the next class. Thank you.